Sir.
What's up?
This is a video that will be posted on YouTube.
Yeah.
She's just talking. Later on, I probably will show you a video game of Black Ops. Like while I'm playing, y'all be seeing like glitches and stuff, you know, all those kind of things. Tell them what you're gonna do.
Nothing.
You have to do something. You know why? Because people like Black Ops. So, comment below, subscribe, and say if you want him to do something. Alright? Peace out.